Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS ZenFone Zoom, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the system settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About. Now let's tap on the software information, which is also localized at the very bottom of this list, and here we have to keep tapping on the build number until we will see that we are in the developer mode. So now we can go back and we have to localize the developer options, which will appear in this system section. As you can see, they are here, and after tapping on it we can see that we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can change the window animation scale, we can show surface updates, pointer location. Here we've got some options connected with the networking, debugging, etc. So all you have to do to turn on the feature is to tap on it, tap on the switcher, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. You can always turn off the developer options just by tapping on the switcher at the top of the list, or actually pinned to the screen, and the developer options should disappear, but sometimes they will not. Even if we will close everything completely, sometimes they will simply stay in the list, but no worries, after restarting the device they will for sure disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.